Champions, welcome to yet another Lemme lesson. As many of you know, you were asking for me to do these quick wisdom nuggets, these quick lessons from many of the books I've written over the years. You know, for 20 plus years I've been writing and teaching. Today's lesson is about faith from a book I wrote in 2005 titled Champions Are Born, Losers Are Made, plus the Inner Secrets of Leadership. And today's lesson is about faith. And it comes from chapter number 5. It says, determination to make a difference. This is the inner secrets of leadership. Faith. Whenever I see the word faith, I think find answers in the heart. F-A-I-T-H. As my shirt says, faith stands and fear runs. We actually trademarked this line 11 years ago. 5 words says everything. Faith stands and fear runs. So allow me to continue teaching. Find answers in the heart. Proverbs 4:23, interesting, says in the Bible, it says, keep your heart with all diligence, for out of it spring the issues of life. You see, down in the heart is the key to the mystery of life. It requires a super determination to seek, it's powerful, to seek that out in those you lead and in yourself. A huge part of determination is excavating the heart. You see, faith is deep down in your heart. That's why faith stands for find answers in the heart. That's why you have to spend private time with yourself, do self-development, do your reading, do your learning. And we live in a day and age right now where the distractions are constant, that it keeps us from finding answers in the heart. Now, this lesson is from a book I wrote in 2005 titled Champions Are Born, Losers Are Made, plus the Inner Secrets of Leadership. And I talk about everyone being born a champion, how God chose you, created you in his image, and by faith, you want to live a long and prosperous life of health and joy and faith. And once again, faith. Whenever I see the word faith, it's on page 42 of the book. Whenever I see the word faith, I think find answers in the heart. F-A-I-T-H, heart. You know, the heart of a champion. That person has a great heart. Man, excuse me. The heart of the issue. You know, when we think of heart, when not the physical heart, just the atmosphere, the attitude. Man, that person has a great heart. They have such a great heart. That's why find answers in the heart. In your heart, you know there's things you should be doing. You know you should be doing different things. You should be getting away from certain people. You should be reaching out to certain people. You should be doing different things in business. You should be away from certain people that don't have the same character traits of you, the same values. That's why you have to read, you have to learn. Remember, this is from chapter number 5 about leadership in the Champions Are Born book about determination to make a difference. Leaders are and must be determined to make a difference. Leaders are truly and completely focused on making and seeing a difference. A difference in those they lead, a difference in their project, a difference in their market, a difference in themselves, etc. And I believe by faith, this next year, 2023, as you know, we've been declaring 2023 is a year to be free, the year to be focused, the year to lead by example, and a year to believe, think, and act completely outside of the box. And what does that take? Faith. So I challenge all of you in this quick lesson from my book I wrote in 2005. Be determined to make a difference. Step out in faith. And I'm speaking to somebody today. This message is for you. You know there's greatness in you. You know in your heart you want to do so much more in life, so much for yourself, for your family, and for others. Step out in faith. Take action. Faith stands and fear runs. God bless you guys. You guys know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. You're awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you for listening to the Lemme lesson about faith. God bless you.